Hello everybody, we're going to introduce an alternative hands-free medical mobility device for lower leg injuries called the Crutch. So 6.5 million people in the US today use assistive devices such as wheelchairs, walkers, crutches, and canes. And as you can see, the traditional axillary crutch is probably the most common one in use that you see. Let's talk a little bit about competition. So here are your traditional axillary crutches. They're very easy to learn how to use, relatively inexpensive, and they're lightweight and easy to sit down with. Now, they're very difficult to use on stairs. They can cause nerve-ending damage under the arm. You can drop them while you're using them, and your hands and arms are inaccessible for completing any daily tasks. So here's a little matrix comparing our product to other products on the market. Main key points are that it's hands-free, more stairs-friendly, there's no direct pressure on the knee, as you can see compared to some of the other concepts, and it has more of an extended range of motion for your leg. There's a video, I'm not sure if it's going to play. If not, then you can check it out next time. Thank you. So you can see he's going to walk down the stairs. Pretty easy. He's got his hands free, he's going to open up this door. Just like that. Thank you.
Alright, so I'm going to talk about the features of the Crutch. First is that the Crutch provides a lot of ergonomic movement. As you can see from the picture, you've got the force acting on your quads and away from your injured part of your leg. And it also acts as a prosthetic for your injured leg, so it provides a lot of natural movement when you're walking. It also has adjustable height, where we had this prototype, height ranging from about people from 5'7" to about 6'3" are able to use this Crutch. And you can adjust it with the gas spring as well. There's a piece on the bottom where you can adjust the height. And now we got our gas spring here, which also absorbs shocks. So when you're walking, you don't have immediate force acting on your quad. It provides a lot more better gait for the user. Next, we have comfort. We have a cushioning pad where if a person's walking longer distances, it's easy. They won't get discomforted. And it's also very modular. It can go on a lot of different terrains. It can go on obviously flat ground, cement, grass, and can also easily go up and down stairs as well. So I'll also apologize for this. This didn't get transferred very well.
Yeah, so alongside with redeveloping an alternative to crutches, we wanted to sort of bring it to the 21st century. We've added embedded sensors to measure the forces as you're walking. On the next slide, you'll see that it's very minimum forces. None of this will hurt you in any way. We've made sure that this product will really help with moving around without any external forces on the parts that are injured. In the next slide, we can see that all this data can be transferred onto an app on the phone. We can use this to really modernize this patient-doctor relationship with doctors, physicians. You can put these forces in. Doctors can bring up the app, see how you're doing as you're recovering. Right now, our current stages, we have a working prototype that we've been using and testing with users. We have a patent filed already, and it's operational. And then alongside with that, we're also working on our next steps, which we want to help with the reduction of weight. Our first initial prototype could really be reduced down to a much lighter product that would be easier and less strain on the user. And then, like all medical devices, we really want to be able to do some testing on the long-term use.